Hello friends, my name is Soham Sulak, and as I said previously, Games at Glance was sponsoring me, so he told me to show his video on my channel. Friends, in this video I will be showing you the tips and tricks of the saw gun, which is only available in catacombs. So friends, like he is saying, to when you are in the vertical tunnels or you are horizontal, just shoot your blade, and if your opponent is too dumb to notice, he will just boom, cut to pieces. Friends, sorry for the noise in the background. Friends, there are some kids playing near my studio. So friends, he will be keep repeating now. So friends, set time bombs. Frame in this one, crouch and send the blade in the ground. Friend, this tip and tricks just works like that proxy mine. You must be knowing what is proxy mine and what's its use. If in case you don't know, friends, this tip and trick cannot kill a opponent with full health. Like you must have like 75% or something like that. If you have full health, you will be heavily damaged. Only about 25 of your health will be left. Friends, this one is very useful. You will have to do very much practice from this. You will have to like make targets. Friends, this is very useful, like the third one which he showed. And the most advanced point of this. Friends, I wish Sogan had like a very much big web magazine, like 40 or 50 blades it can hold, but only one round of the bullets. So friends, I think that you must understand the point. You understood the point. So friends, like you will have to make that you are confident to shoot at in it doesn't matter in which direction your opponent is, but you have to shoot him. So friends, please watch the full video. Please like, share and subscribe. Friends, this video was made using DU recorder. Friends, this tip is also useful. You have to do solo training till you don't proceed in this. Friend, like sometimes there are some newbies player who like shoot the blades, but they commit suicide. They bounce the blades onto some surface and the blade comes back and they are killed. So friends, in solo training you don't have any target, so you have to target yourself only. Like here it showed. Friends, this was very easy, so like it was very much easy. Friends, this one turned right. Friend, but sometime till like 5 seconds the blade will automatically explode. So friends, he is killed. We have to pick some random blocks or surfaces to like do solo training. Friends, if you don't hold your shield correctly, you will die with the saw blade, but if you hold it correctly, you will be saved. Like friends, this Green Lantern player didn't hold his shield correctly and was killed. Like this friend, you have to crouch and like you will be saved. Friends, please watch his video, the best combination, weapon combination. Friends, if you hold it correctly, you can block off the blades, but if you don't, you are gone. Like friends, here, now I think it can save. No friends, but it's reflected, but the blade bounced up and down and killed him. You don't have to move your shield much and like do back and forth, back and forth. That is a wrong habit. You have to crouch and the shield should touch the ground. So this trick is like very much annoying if the player like reflected and the cutter came back, saw blade came back, the server would count it as a suicide, not a kill, cause he shooted and he got it back, but it was that the person with the shield reflected it and there should be his kill. Friends, you should have a range also, that like how to kill him. You saw that he threw a gas grenade and he was about to die, but he shooted him. Friends, this is the most important point. Just in case, it can hold only a little amount of bullets, so you must have a backup gun like sniper or combat shotgun or M416 like that. Friends, combat shotgun is not a very good choice, cause friends, it has a very short range. It is very short ranged. Like here, friends. Friends, he came and he had a backup gun. That's why he was able to kill him. Friends, please subscribe and like and share. And please watch his video, the best weapon combination. Thank you.